Here's what nobody tells you. Most people doing free traffic affiliate marketing aren't failing because of bad content. They're failing because they never built the one thing that actually compounds while they sleep. And honestly, I almost missed it too when I started researching this. 6 months into my own rabbit hole on affiliate marketing, free traffic, I kept seeing the same question everywhere. Reddit threads, YouTube comments, forum posts, people saying, I've been posting for 3 months and I'm not making anything. Is this even real? What I found surprised me because the answer isn't what most people think. The problem isn't that free traffic doesn't work. It does. ClickBank breaks free traffic into 7 documented channels: SEO, social media, community forums, YouTube, email, guest posting, and AI optimization. Digistore 24 publishes a comparable breakdown. These aren't theories cooked up in a Facebook group. These are the actual categories the major affiliate networks track and teach because real traffic flows through them every day. But here's where it gets interesting. The people getting results and the people quitting a month at month 3 are often putting in the same amount of work, same number of posts, same types of videos, same effort. So what's different? I'll get to the exact shift in a minute. First, you need to understand why month 3 is where everything falls apart. Picture this. You start posting content, maybe blog posts targeting buyer intent keywords, maybe YouTube videos. Maybe you're answering questions on Reddit or Quora. You're doing what everyone says to do. You're being consistent. And for the first few weeks, it actually feels good because you're building something. Then week 5 hits, week 6, week 8, you check your numbers and traffic is trickling in. A few clicks a day, maybe a few dozen on a good day. But commissions? Almost nothing. This same complaint shows up constantly in forums. People documenting that SEO takes months before organic clicks register, even on well optimized content. People watching their Reddit and Quora answers get removed because the platform flags them as promotional. People posting short form videos that rack up views but convert at almost zero because the viewer intent never matched the offer. These aren't isolated complaints, they're patterns that repeat across every major affiliate community online. The platform themselves, ClickBank, Digistore 24, and the forums built around them surface this feedback repeatedly enough that it shows up in their own published training materials. So you've got all this effort going out, almost nothing coming back. That's the month 3 kill zone. That's where most people quit. Not because the strategy was wrong, because their effort was leaking away instead of stacking up. Think about it. Every blog post you write, every video you publish, every forum answer you leave, each one brings in a visitor, maybe 2, maybe 10. But what happens when that person clicks away? Gone. You earned that visit and it vanished. One shot, one chance, done. Now multiply that across dozens of pieces of content over 3 months. All those visitors, all that work, and none of it builds on itself. You're starting from zero every single day. That's not a traffic problem. That's a capture problem. And that's the shift I kept finding when I dug into what people who actually make it past 6 months are doing differently. The compounding asset isn't more blog posts, isn't more videos. It's an email list with automated follow up. I know that sounds simple, almost too simple, but stay with me because the logic changes everything. Without an email list, every piece of free traffic you generate is a one-shot chance. Someone lands on your content, maybe clicks your affiliate link, probably doesn't buy, and disappears forever. You never see them again. The effort you spent creating that content, optimizing it, distributing it, gone with one click. With a lead capture page, the same visitor gives you their email before they ever see an affiliate offer. Now they're on your list. An automated email sequence means they're hearing from you tomorrow, next week, next month. That visitor you earned in January is still seeing your offers in March and April and June. And that's how free traffic finally starts compounding into real commissions instead of just views. One creator I came across in a ClickBank training put it clearly: create one pillar piece of content, then repurpose it and distribute it natively across platforms. ClickBank specifically recommends YouTube educational videos in the 10 to 20 minute range for affiliate content. Digistore 24 echoes that, putting the sweet spot at 88 to 20 minutes. Those aren't arbitrary numbers. They reflect the watch time and engagement threshold those platforms have found correlate with actual conversions. But here's what both of them are really pointing at underneath that advice. The content is in the top of the funnel. It's not the whole funnel. It's not the whole funnel. You post the video, someone watches it, instead of sending them straight to an affiliate link where they probably won't buy on the first visit, you send them to a simple lead capture page. They drop their email. Now your automated sequence does the work. Every visitor you earned last month is still in your system this month. Your effort from week 2 is still working for you in week 12. That's the difference between people who quit at month 3 and the people who start seeing real commissions by month 6. One group pours water into a bucket with no bottom. The other group plugged the hole first. The consistent feedback I kept finding backed this up. Buyer intent blog posts keep sending clicks long after publishing. That's well established in SEO literature on content longevity. YouTube tutorials compound traffic over time as search surfaces them to new viewers, which is why YouTube consistently ranks as one of the highest converting free traffic sources across major affiliate networks. Repurposing one pillar piece into clips, posts, extends reach without proportionally extending the workload. A distribution principle, ClickBank, and Digistore 24 both reference explicitly in their affiliate training. All of that is documented and repeatable, but it only turns into money when those clicks land somewhere. That captures them before they disappear. Now you might be thinking, I'm not technical. I don't know how to build a capture page or set up email automation. That's a real concern. It's one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck sending traffic straight to affiliate links even when they know better. The setup feels overwhelming, especially when you're already stretched thin trying to produce content consistently. So here's the thing, and this is worth sitting with for a second. Everything we've covered today points to the same bottleneck. Getting the traffic is learnable. The part that stops most people is having a system ready to catch it. If you'd rather skip the building that infrastructure from scratch, the HBA residual income system is what you need. The email follow-up and the sales system already built and ready to go. The link is in the description below.